Good morning, class 8. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing great, good, fine, taking care of yourselves. So, today we are back with English again and we are going to do Who Done It. Okay? It's a fiction detective. Who doesn't like detective stories? Suspense, thrillers. Who done it? I mean, who did it? This story from the Speckle Band of Arthur Conan Doyle, the maker of Sherlock Holmes. Sherlock Holmes is not a person, he's a uh, character created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. So we just want to talk about him, but before that, I want to give you some more information and guidance. Is that there might be an exam, or the first term exam, or the term one, whatever you call it, in mid September. All will be MCQ questions. Please, guys, don't go with the question answers at the back. I am folding my hands to you. Read your chapter. MCQs, even you have in the UPSC exam, even you have in IAS exams, multiple choice questions. Please read, try to understand, think about that subject, try to remember what the story was. MCQs come in questions like that. They'll ask you, what is a speckle band? Bangle, bracelet, snake, poisonous snake. Snake is also there, poisonous snake is also there, bangle is also there, necklace is also there. Or bracelet is there, sorry. Bangle, bracelet, snake, or it will be snake, bangle, bracelet, snake, bangle, poisonous snake, bracelet. If you tick snake, it will be wrong. You have to tick poisonous snake. So you have to know what a speckle band is. So here in the story, I am telling you the speckle band is a poisonous snake. I'll come to that later. So I just wanted to tell you, please read, try to understand. In your grammar portion, I have given you a portion to read from the thick book which you have, the comprehensive grammar. I have made a twist. Grammar cannot change, right? Like history, Razia Sultan cannot go on a motorcycle. She has to go on a horse. Her dates will not change. History about Rani Lakshmi Bai will not change. After 10 years, she won't be driving a BMW. She was on a horse, she will be on the horse. Mahatma Gandhi didn't take a bus to Dandi March. It cannot change. So please try to be proactive. Read your chapters. You may be thinking I'm talking a lot to you, but ask your parents if I'm right or wrong. Ask your tuition masters if you're taking tuition from anybody if I'm right or wrong. If I'm wrong, from tomorrow I will stop my videos. I will not record any videos for you. No need, because I don't know anything. I'm a person who's always saying wrong things. Grammar will be there. There will be a twist to it. You know that. What is going to happen is going to boost your confidence. All answers are there. But I have taught you, suppose I have taught you tenses. Tenses chapter, the questions which are there, I have changed it. What happens? You come to know that am I able to do something outside this? Same thing. So what did I learn? Did I learn English grammar? So I am able to solve English grammar, not only book questions, because all our books have got answers. Question banks are there, answer banks are there. Tell me if I am wrong. Put down a message. You are useless. All your thing, whatever you say is wrong. I'll stop. I'll go away to Kolkata. I'll go and do some other job. No problem. But this is the way training happens. This is the way a person is being trained to face all type of things from various angles. Indira Gandhi, our respected late Mrs. Indira Gandhi, had so many bodyguards. Got shot. Why? She did not think from many angles. They thought bodyguard is always there. What will happen if you have a bodyguard, if you wear a bulletproof vest till here? What will happen to this part? What will happen to your face? Who will save it? I have a gun, no one can hit me. Oh, I am very powerful, I don't know to shoot a gun. So someone will shoot me and go away. I am standing on the road with my car. I am not driving. Someone comes and hits me, I die. Finished. What happened? Accident. You don't have to hit someone to become an accident. Someone will hit you and become an accident. You will die, it is an accident. Accidental death. So we have to learn through many angles. You know how to mix your rice and dal and your vegetables, and you don't all mix together and just eat it, right? There are different type of style of eating your mother taught you. Tell me if I am wrong again. Tell me. Message me or put a message on YouTube. That's the best social media for right now, YouTube. You can just put on a message. People will see that message. Or take my video, put it on Facebook or put it on any social media. People have to say that I am speaking wrong. What is your name? Ronan asked, what is your name? Now that question, this is in your book. If it is changed, what did Ronan ask? His name is Sanjay. Did Ronan ask? Just a simple example I am giving. So it's like that. I have made it very interesting. I want to see that how you score. Those who will study will score. If you know what is a model, you will know how to write it. Where to use which model, will, should, would, could, you will know how to use it. I have done this with you. So if you can't do it, that means all that my teaching went useless. So much of time I wasted with you writing, making you all write down. You were there writing on the board. You guys helped me out with the writing. You wrote on the board, everyone copied. Yes sir, all done. Get, we are ready. I have given you links. The same thing which I have taught, I have given you links so that you can hear properly and understand. Okay, so this is what I am trying to tell you. It's not always that if I go on teaching, some things will go this side and that side, rumble up. I have to train you. You have to get into that mold, See, those who are listening will listen, those who don't listen will not listen, no problem. But I am doing my job. Even if one person listens to me, I am happy. If 100 persons listen to me, I am happy. If no one listens to me, I am that too also happy, because I am doing my job. I am happy with what I am doing. What my point? Be proactive in life. Get things going. Everything you can do. Life is tough. And so you are. You are also tough. You can do anything. Isn't it? Everyone can do everything. You are in an abundance. You are living. You see yourself in this abundance. Such a large world I am in. You will attract it. How you attract it? That's what you have to get trained. Life is tough. Books are tough for you, but so you are tough. You are also tough. Things will happen to you. What is the law of attraction? Tell me. This is my life. I have to discover it, right? I am in class 8, I have to discover my life. How will I discover my life? By studies. Your job till class 12 is studies. Till your graduation, after graduation, what you want to. Studies has a time, it has a span. After a certain age, you cannot study. That time, your brain does not want to study. But if you are into the study mode, you will always want to study. Sharing hasn't come to me like eating breakfast or eating dinner. My lifeline, there is sharing inside my blood. My father's family, my mother's family, my grandfather, he was the convener of schools of Kolkata when Bangladesh, when British was in charge. He was the convener of schools. My mother was the convener of schools. Our family is into education. So sharing is always being there with me. I don't teach. I pray to God, don't make me a teacher because I cannot go to that position because I have done various things, various jobs, various things. I talk through experience. I talk what I know. It's my life, right? I have to discover it. It's waiting for me to discover it. We think life is very hard. There is a lot of struggle has to be done. We have to go do this and do that. Life is hard and a struggle. So if I say by the law of attraction, you will have experienced life as hard and a struggle. Correct. Begin right now. Shout in the morning. Life is so easy, life is good. All good things come to me. All good things come to me. Life is good, life is easy. Get up in the morning and shout. Laws of attraction. If it is hard, everything is going to be hard. If you say it's easy, it's going to be easy. It's all here. Just think about the day you were born, did your mother stuff you with paneer and milk? Drinking. Some guys are drinking milk every day, doing exercise. Good. So when you were a child, did you do that? Did you do 100 push-ups? No. Did you eat biryani? Did you eat chow mein when you were born? No. Certain things, certain time. There's a time limit for everything. Expiry period. Your expiry period of learning, your brain stops learning after an age. So that you don't stop learning for that age, you are being given a school for education. Parents are your best teachers, but they have got other works to do. That's why the school is there. The teachers take the place of your parents for 4 to 5 hours. After that, again you go back. Everyone has their own respective jobs, works to be done. So your job is studying and learning. Do that. Question answer is only T20 match for your exams. You must know your subject. Once you know what you are doing, no one can stop you. Sky is the limit. Next video. Sorry for wasting your time, but I just wanted to share these things. It makes sense to me.